Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly, and if you're new here, then welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm so excited because I'm partnering with Ulta Beauty. Yay! And I'm here to tell you that this spring, Curlsmith is now sold at Ulta Beauty. So in this video, I'm going to be styling my hair using their products and telling you all about them. But first, I wanted to tell you guys about Ulta Beauty's spring campaign because as most of you know, I was blessed enough to be a part of it. So their spring campaign is all about embracing your own unique beauty. Myself and a group of other people of different colors, different sizes, different genders, different ethnicities got to be the faces of this spring campaign. It was amazing. I had such a good time. They flew me out to Malibu, California. When I got the email, I swear guys, I was freaking out. I could not believe that they chose me. I still can't believe that they chose me, but I am so grateful. So now my picture is in their stores all across the country. I'm on their YouTube channel, on their Instagram ads. I'm in their monthly magazine. If you don't get it, you should. So if you open it right in the middle, you'll see me. I'm in their separate little salon catalog. And something super cool about being in Ulta Beauty's magazine is that I actually am on the back as well. So the fact that I am in this magazine more than once is crazy to me. So yeah, I loved the experience. I had such a good time being a part of this campaign. I'm so happy that it's finally out. So if you haven't been into the store yet, make sure you go check it out. Also, thanks to you guys for the love. I'm so glad you were as excited as I am. Now let's talk about Curlsmith. So I have seen this brand for a while now. I saw a lot of curly girls post about it and talk about it. So Curlsmith is the first gourmet hair care brand for curly hair. Curlsmith blends fresh curl-loving foods with kitchen cupboard staples and rare organic ingredients to make these products. Their products are all clean. They have no sulfates, parabens, silicones, mineral oils, phthalates, or DEA. They are certified organic. They have the stamp right on the label. They're also vegan and cruelty-free. I believe Curlsmith began in the UK, so it's really cool that they're here in the States now. The 4 products that they sent me: the Curl Quenching Conditioning Wash, the Intense Treatment Serum, the Curl Conditioning Oil and Cream, and the Hold Me Softly Style Balm. So my hair is wet because I washed it with their Curl Quenching Conditioning Wash, and I really love this stuff. It says that it's for extra thirsty, curly, wavy, or kinky hair, so it's for all curl types, and it's for moisture, shine, and anti-frizz, and it helps to detangle your hair. So when I used this for the first time about a week ago, I was really impressed with it because my hair was super dirty. I needed a wash really bad. And I was like, is this conditioning wash gonna really wash my hair well? And it did. It moisturized my hair. It has such a great smell. It's like this really light floral kind of smell, not too strong at all. I really like it. It has a creamy consistency that I just lathered into my scalp and all the way through my hair. It made detangling really easy, and my hair felt so silky smooth as I washed it out. So this product in particular has mashed shea butter, resurrection flour, organic coconut oil, organic avocado oil, torn sage, and basil and black pepper oil. So it's a pretty interesting mix, and I really like it. It makes my hair super soft. Now to style my curls, I'm gonna start off using the Curl Conditioning Oil and Cream. This nourishes the hair and adds moisture and shine. So I'm going to section my hair to apply the product and make sure that it's evenly distributed. And I'm just using my Denman brush to smooth out my hair before applying the products. So this cream is pretty thick, a little goes a long way, so I'm not gonna use too much of it. So I'm taking a scoop of it, rubbing it into my hands, and just raking it through. This smells really good too. It smells kind of similar to the conditioning wash. It has like a really light kind of like floral scent. And next I'm gonna use their Hold Me Softly Style Balm. This has a light hold and it's good for definition, bounce, and elasticity. This is also a cream, but it's more of like a thinner consistency. So I'm gonna add that in as well. These products are super moisturizing, so if you have dry hair, this will definitely give you the moisture that it needs. And now I'm going to continue adding them to the rest of the sections. So because I have a naturally loose curl pattern and these products are more creamy based, I'm not going to add them to my roots because I don't want them to get weighed down. So I'm going to add them from about here down. Okay, so I scrunched all of my hair with the product in it. I added a little more water to help with definition. And now I'm gonna let my hair air dry for a little while, and then I'm gonna diffuse and come back with the results. Okay, so my hair is all dry and these are my results. My curls are very defined, very bouncy, and super duper soft. It almost seems like the product elongated my curls, which is pretty cool, I guess because it is a cream. I generally like to use a gel in my routines, but I'm very impressed with what their products did even without using one. I believe their line does have a gel in it. I'm pretty sure I saw that they had a curling souffle, so I definitely have to try that out next time. My curls feel very moisturized, they have shine, body, and I love the fact that these products are clean and have good ingredients in them. Now last but not least, I'm gonna use the Intense Treatment Serum on my ends. So it looks like this. So what I'm gonna do is take a little bit of it, and this melts right into your fingers and becomes an oil. So you can add this to any dry sections of your hair, especially the ends. So here is a dry section of my hair. I'm just gonna smooth that down, and it adds shine and helps to defrizz any dry sections. So this you can add on dry or damp hair, and if your hair is really damaged, then you can add this into your hair, wrap it in cling film, allow it to sink into your hair to give it that moisture, then rinse it out the next morning. So it can be used as a deep treatment. So that's it, guys. Make sure you check out your local Ulta Beauty store to get your own Curlsmith products. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below and let me know if you've tried these products before or if you plan on trying them in the future. Thank you to Ulta Beauty for sending me these products, and thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.